Winter is just beginning, but it's already freezing cold. It is 29 degrees Fahrenheit here, which is negative 1.667 degrees Celsius. We have a long winter to go. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and please consider subscribing. And if you're my subscriber already, thank you so much for coming back again to watch my videos. Today's video is going to be on a quick tip on how we can keep our homes warm and lower our electric or gas bill during this winter season. If you live in a country where you have to heat your home or you have to cool your home in the summer, a ceiling fan can be of great help in lowering your electric bill or gas bill and also keeping your house warmer. Some people know about it, some people don't know about it, but it's good to try and see if it works for you in case you've never tried it. If it can help one person, I'm glad about it because my channel is about sharing anything that I feel can be helpful to someone. So this is how the ceiling fan works. When you heat your house in the winter, the warm air rises upward towards the ceiling. When you switch the ceiling fan up in the winter, it's going to pull the cool or the cold air upward towards the ceiling, and it's going to force or push the warm air down, and then it circulates it inside a room evenly, making your room warmer. Now I'm going to show you my ceiling fan switch. As you can see here, my ceiling fan lamp has a plate covering it that is kind of curved and it's covering the switch. So I'm going to use a flashlight to help you see where the switch is. That is the switch right there. It's not very clear, but it can show. So in the winter, I turn the switch up, and in the summer I turn the switch down this way. But right now it's in this winter here, so I'm going to keep the switch up. But I have to make you aware that whenever you are switching it up and down, make sure that your ceiling fan is not on. If your ceiling fan is running and then you switch up and down, you might end up destroying your fan motor. So this is the direction my ceiling fan is running in the winter. It circulates air in the house, warm air in the house. And in the summer, it's going to be the opposite. So some people say in the winter, it's running clockwise, and in the summer, it's running anti-clockwise. But the best way I remember this is that in the winter is towards the end of the year, so it's up. So that's how I remember to switch it up. And in the summer is somewhere in the middle of the year, so it's down. I hope you find a way to remember that because it can be confusing between clockwise and anti-clockwise. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.